Okay, now this is a question based on calorimetry. Two experimental runs are performed to determine the calorimetric properties of an alcohol which has a melting point of minus 10 degrees Celsius. Underline this thing, melting point of minus 10 degrees Celsius. In the first run, a 200 gram cube of frozen alcohol at the melting point is added to 300 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius in a styrofoam container. Okay, when the thermal equilibrium is reached, the alcohol water solution is at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. So for this first part right now, we have read up to here. For this first part, let's create the equation. So test 1. Okay, on one side we have alcohol. Okay, alcohol is in the frozen state. Okay, and the question says it is at melting point, so melting point of alcohol is minus 10. So the 200 gram alcohol is 200 gram at minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, on the other side we have water. How much water is there? 300 gram at 20 degrees Celsius. 300 gram at 20 degrees Celsius. This is the initial condition, correct? Finally, the system reaches an equilibrium at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. So finally, we can write down final temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in this process, what is the heat lost by water? So heat lost by water will be ms into delta T. So mass of water is 300 grams into specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius multiplied by change in temperature is how much? You are going from 20 to 5. So that is 15. So you obtain 4500 calorie. This is the heat released by water. Okay. Now this heat will be absorbed by alcohol. Okay. So alcohol absorbs the same amount of heat to convert. We have initially solid alcohol. It converts into liquid alcohol at 5 degrees Celsius. So first we have to melt alcohol. So to melt alcohol, melting of alcohol solid needs how much heat? Mass into latent heat. So mass of the alcohol is given to be 200 gram. Latent heat we don't know, so let's just take it to be L. Okay, so 200 L is the heat absorbed by the alcohol at minus 10 degrees Celsius to melt. Now to raise temperature of alcohol, okay, from minus 10 degree to 5 degree, how much heat will be needed? Heat needed will be 200 gram is the mass of alcohol into specific heat of alcohol is, let's say, S, into temperature changes from minus 10 to plus 5. So temperature changes 15 degrees Celsius. So this is equal to 3000 S. So total heat lost by water should be equal to total heat absorbed by alcohol. So heat lost by water is 4500 and heat absorbed by alcohol will be how much? Heat absorbed equal to 200 L plus 3000 S is equal to 4500. Okay, or I could remove zeros from here. So 2L plus 30S equal to 45. This is your first equation. This equation has two unknowns, L and S. The question is asking S. Okay, so we have two unknowns, we know one equation, we need one more equation. That's where the second test will be needed. Now let's come to the second part of the question. In the second run, an identical cube of alcohol is added to 500 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius and the temperature at thermal equilibrium is 10 degrees Celsius. The specific heat and all that is given, we don't need that. Okay, so now we have first of all water. How much? 500 gram at 20 degrees Celsius, and this will go and change its temperature to 10 degrees Celsius, correct? So what is the heat released by water? Heat released by water will be mass of water, that is 500 gram, into specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius, into change in temperature is how much? We are going from 20 to 10. So that is 10. So you get 5000 calories is released by water. Now we come to alcohol again. So again we have alcohol. How much alcohol? 200 grams at minus 10 degrees Celsius in solid state. So this will first melt. So melting of alcohol will require how much heat? Mass into latent heat. Then heating of alcohol from minus 10 degrees Celsius to plus 10 degrees Celsius. The final temperature of mixture is plus 10. So this will require how much heat? Mass of alcohol 200 into specific heat of alcohol S into change in temperature is now 20. So we obtain this to be equal to 4000 S. Again we can say that total heat absorbed by alcohol equal to heat released by water. So total heat absorbed is how much? That will be equal to 200 L plus 4000 S. This will be equal to heat released by water, that is 5000. So you simplify this, remove two zeros. So 2L plus 40S is equal to 50. Now we come to equation number 1. So in equation number 1 we will get 2L equal to 45 minus 30S. So we replace it in this equation. So 2L will be 45 minus 30S plus 40S is equal to 50. So you simplify this and you obtain 10S equal to 50 minus 45, that is 5. So S equal to 0.5 calories per gram degree Celsius. However, the question is asking the specific heat in joules per kilogram. So to convert into joules per kilogram, we need to multiply by 4.2 to convert calorie into joules and multiplied by 1000 to convert gram into kilogram. So this will become joules per kilogram degree Celsius. So that should give you 0, 42 into 5. So 5 times 2 is 10, 2100 joules per kilogram degree Celsius. Okay. So option C will be the correct answer. Alright.